Yo, what's up? It's Patrick from Guy in the Cube, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up cross-report drill through on Power BI report server. All right, so somebody asked me this question. Of course, that's why I'm doing the video. It was like, hey, in the service, cross-report drill through is built into the desktop. It just works. And how can we simulate this? How can we set this up on Power BI report server? Because in the latest release of the Power BI report server, the Power BI desktop that's optimized for the Power BI report server, it's not there. I can't configure it. And I was like, that'll make a great video. So I decided to do one, and that's what I'm going to show you. All right. So instead of all this talking, you guys know what I like to do. Let's head over to my laptop. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to create two reports. So I have one report that is my overview report. So I have a table that contains a line for each one of my customers, and it gives me an overview of the stuff they've purchased. Then you create your detail report. This is the report I'm going to drill to from my overview report that focuses in on each individual customer and provides details for each one of those customers. So I create both of those and I publish those up to my report server. Then I go over to my report server and I open up the customer details report and I grab the URL onto my clipboard, right? Then I head back to the desktop to the overview page and I create a column that will automatically dynamically build this URL and append the customer key, because that's what I want to filter the detail report by, okay? And so you can see I create this URL, I paste the URL to that report in, and then I add filter equals the table name, then the column name, then the qualifier. This is just like using URL filters for Power BI reports in the service, okay? And then I pass in the customer key, all right? Once I do that, I click the table, and I just did a video on adding web URLs to columns and tables and matrix. It's a new feature, and it's also in the Power BI report server. You click on format, and then you expand out conditional formatting. Then you'll see an option down here for web URL. Go ahead and toggle it on. And then where it says the based on field, go find that drill through calculated column that you created. So I'm going to click that one and click OK. And then what you see is this a line is placed under the full name, because that's what I want people to click to drill through to the details. And you can see if I just kind of scroll down this list, how the customer key changes for each one of those. All right. So then go ahead and click save. That's going to publish this up to my report server. So that's there, and I have this configured. But I want to do one more thing. I want to give my end users, my report consumers, the ability to drill back from the drill that they've drilled to. Okay, so I'm going to head back over to the report server, and I'm going to go back to my report, my customer sales overview report. All right, let it spin up. And you'll see how the hyperlinks are already there. Not going to click it just yet. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to head back to the detail report, and I'm going to insert a back button. I'm going to insert a back button. It's going to make a nice small little button. I'm going to make it just a little larger. Go over to action, change the type from back to web URL, paste the URL in there, and then we're going to say back to customer overview in the tooltip, just like that. And then I'm going to save this. So I click save it up to the report server. Then I'll head back over to my report in the report server. So you can see here I have my customer overview with a list of each one of these customers. I'm going to go ahead and choose Aaron Collins, because Aaron's got a lot of sales that he's made. So I'm going to click here. It's going to open up my detail report, filtered out to Aaron Collins. You can see the customer's key is in the filter pane. Here's the purchases that this particular customer has made. And then I can click my back button and it'll take me back to the overview report. What? So easy, so simple. Now I have cross-report drill through in my Power BI report server. What do you guys think? You got any questions, comments? You know what to do. Post it in the comments below. It's your first time visiting the Guy in the Cube channel. Hit that subscribe button. If you like my video, big thumbs up. As always, from Adam and myself, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.